Hi, I'm Coco Kanakis, Principal Designer at Coco Kanakis Design. Welcome to this Greek Revival townhouse on one of the most beautiful streets in the West Village. This was a top-down renovation, and we used our clients' love of art, fashion, and travel as our inspiration. The result is a bold and vibrant home that also celebrates its architectural heritage. Let's go inside. Come with me. As soon as you walk in, this vestibule just sets the stage. The floor is a marble and brass mosaic that immediately grounds the space. Above is a vibrant Timorous Beasties ink blotch damask wallpaper that climbs the walls like living artwork. Suspended overhead, we have the Lindsey Adelman sculptural clamp light as an unexpected, quirky counterpoint to all the classical details. In this living room, the layered mix of artistry and history continues. The walls are dressed in a soft sky blue silk wall covering, capped with acanthus leaf moldings that echo the salvaged capitals of the columns, which of course ties back to the home's Greek Revival architecture. The focal point of this room is this ornate marble fireplace. Lighter scale furniture float in the room, including this flapper-style chair, gem-cut coffee table, and the Moroccan case pieces and tray tables. But the anchor for everything is this overdyed Persian rug with the word peace inscribed on it in 8 different languages. And the energy definitely rises as you walk into this dining room with this beautiful Christian Lacroix damask wallpaper that just wraps the room in drama. Herringbone floors add to the classical foundation, while the denim blue glass doors allow light to filter into the center of the home. But the crown jewel is definitely this Gabriel Scott chainmail chandelier. Visible from the living room and the kitchen, it is the perfect centerpiece for the parlor floor. Kitchen design is something I'm really passionate about and I just love to do. We kept the entire palette to black, white, and wood tones. We gave the prime window location to the breakfast nook where the light pours in like a Vermeer painting. We also hung this constellation of quirky lights, including a whisk, as a nod to my client's passion. This kitchen doesn't just look good, it functions really well, which should be the goal of any good kitchen design. This is the real party room that everybody wishes they had. As soon as you walk in, you're surrounded by greenery from the butler's pantry to the trellis wallpaper. The arabesque floor tile flows out into the garden patio to make this room feel twice the size. And the expansive glass wall opens up into the garden for seamless indoor-outdoor entertaining. Upstairs in the primary suite, the mood turns serene and intimate. We used this plum velvet for the bed and the sofa and brought in watercolor style fabrics in the curtains and the seat cushions. And the ornate acanthus leaf mantle just adds to the graceful detail. French doors even open up to a private terrace. The bathroom takes serenity to a whole other level. There's a fireplace, a black sandstone soaking tub, steam shower, and sauna. This is definitely one of the most luxurious bathrooms I've designed, except for maybe my own. This was a multi-year project that reimagined a classic West Village townhouse into a jewel-toned delight. I hope you enjoyed seeing it as much as we did designing it. Thanks for coming. See you next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?